wanting to bump up the legal age to smoke in Nebraska, but at what cost?
I think that you really have a hard push to be able to justify taking those decisions away from someone who is an adult.
It's no secret that smoking is bad for you. Right now, anybody under the age of 18 is banned from buying tobacco products. Good evening, I'm Craig DeGrelli. Tonight, as the 2017 legislative session gets underway, Senator Merv Riepe of Omaha wants to bump up that age to 21. And there's another part of the measure that is raising some eyebrows. Reporter Nick Starling is live with the possible impact. Nick.
Yeah, Craig, also in that bill are vaping products. While most users have nicotine in it, I talked with a vapor store owner who says cigarette smoking and vaping are like comparing apples to oranges. Vaping is extremely popular in the metro. These devices are mostly battery operated that give out small amounts of nicotine, many times flavored, and release vapors instead of smoke. But at the age at which you can buy one could change.
You've got somebody who is 18 years of age who can make decisions on their own.
Eric Johnson is the owner of Caterpillar Vapes and thinks the bill isn't needed. Says people shouldn't compare cigarette smoking to vaping.
When you start lumping them together, it becomes imperative that you have the science to be able to back it up. And right now, the science isn't there.
In the bill, it states that the health risks associated with smoking tobacco products have been scientifically proven, and that the growing number of minors who start smoking is staggering. And even more abhorrent are the ages at which such children begin this deadly habit. Johnson says there are a lot of younger people vaping, but he thinks it's a better option.
A lot of these kids either were smoking or were going to start. We're running down that path, and they headed back this direction.
This isn't the first time the Nebraska legislature placed regulations on the vaping industry. In 2014, senators passed a law to make it illegal to sell vapor products to Nebraskans under the age of 18. Johnson says the senators should look at the consequences of this bill before voting on it.
Because I can guarantee you that a lot of those people are not going to quit. They're going to find a way to keep going, and their alternative is not going to be as good as the legal one that's currently provided.
And Johnson tells me if this bill was passed, he doesn't think it would hurt his bottom line that much. And the sponsor of this bill is the newly elected chair of the Health and Human Services Committee. The bill will have a hearing within the next couple of months. Reporting live, Nick Starling, KMTV Action 3 News.